I thought most car gadgets were just overpriced gimmicks, until I found these. After digging through countless Amazon products, I came across some genuinely clever finds that can make your car safer, smarter, more comfortable, and a lot more enjoyable to drive. From hidden gems that solve everyday annoyances, to innovative gadgets that can completely transform your road trips, these are the kinds of upgrades you'll wish you had discovered sooner. So stick around, pick your favorites, and grab the links from the description below. Let's jump right in. Starting off by protecting one of the most abused areas of any vehicle with this car backseat protector. It's an easy way to keep your interior looking cleaner and newer for longer. The waterproof and durable design helps defend against muddy shoes, pet hair, scratches, spills, and everyday messes that can quickly ruin upholstery. Whether you're driving kids, pets, or outdoor gear around town, this simple accessory creates a protective barrier that can save you from expensive cleaning bills and unnecessary wear over time. Now powering nearly every gadget in your vehicle with this 9-in-1 cigarette lighter splitter, you'll never have to fight over charging ports again. Designed with multiple USB connections, extra power outlets, and independent switches, it transforms a single socket into a complete charging station. Whether you're running a dash cam, charging phones, powering accessories, or preparing for a long road trip, this gadget helps keep everything connected while making your vehicle feel much more modern and convenient. After that, helping you avoid one of the most overlooked driving mistakes with this digital tire pressure gauge. It delivers highly accurate pressure readings in seconds. Maintaining proper tire pressure can improve fuel economy, extend tire life, enhance handling, and increase overall driving safety. Despite its compact size, this small tool can help prevent expensive tire wear and unexpected roadside problems. It's simple to use, easy to store, and one of those practical gadgets every vehicle owner should keep nearby. Meanwhile, putting an end to trunk clutter with this car trunk organizer, it helps transform a messy cargo area into a neatly arranged storage space. Multiple compartments make it easy to separate groceries, tools, emergency supplies, travel gear, and everyday essentials without everything sliding around while driving. The sturdy construction keeps items secure and easy to access whenever needed. Whether you're running errands or heading out on a road trip, this organizer adds convenience while maximizing available storage space. Up next, keeping long drives a lot more entertaining with this car headrest tablet holder. It turns any tablet into a hands-free entertainment center for backseat passengers. The adjustable 360-degree design allows users to find the perfect viewing angle for movies, games, video calls, or online content. It keeps devices securely mounted even on rough roads while helping reduce distractions during travel. For families and frequent road trippers, it's a simple upgrade that can make every journey feel much shorter. Now bringing ice-cold convenience wherever the road takes you with this portable car refrigerator. It's a game-changing upgrade for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. Unlike traditional coolers that rely on melting ice, this unit uses a compressor cooling system that can actively refrigerate or freeze food and drinks. Whether you're camping, overlanding, tailgating, road tripping, or spending long hours behind the wheel, having fresh food and cold beverages available on demand adds an entirely new level of convenience. Right after that, preparing for the unexpected with this window breaker and seatbelt cutter. You'll have multiple emergency tools ready whenever they're needed most. Along with its emergency escape functions, it also includes a flashlight, adjustable work light, magnetic base, and SOS alarm. While everyone hopes they'll never face a serious roadside emergency, this compact gadget provides valuable peace of mind and can also prove useful during repairs, breakdowns, or unexpected situations after dark. Now giving your dashboard a futuristic upgrade with this heads-up display. It helps bring important driving information directly into your field of view. Instead of repeatedly glancing down at the instrument cluster, you can monitor key data while keeping your eyes focused on the road ahead. The result is a more connected and modern driving experience that feels surprisingly premium. It's a simple way to give older vehicles a high-tech touch without spending a fortune on upgrades. Moving on, taking the struggle out of roadside tire changes with this electric car jack kit. It does the heavy lifting for you at the push of a button. Instead of manually cranking a traditional jack, the motorized system quickly raises your vehicle with minimal effort. It's especially useful during emergencies, when time, safety, and convenience matter most. Whether you're dealing with a flat tire or performing routine maintenance, this gadget can make a stressful situation significantly easier to manage. And unlocking a surprising amount of extra storage space with this rooftop cargo carrier. It's the perfect solution for packed road trips and outdoor adventures. The waterproof design helps protect luggage, camping equipment, sports gear, and travel essentials from the elements, while freeing up valuable room inside your vehicle. Complete with heavy-duty straps and secure attachment points, it keeps your cargo safely in place throughout the journey. For families and travelers, it's an upgrade that quickly proves its value. Before we jump into the next gadget, if you found something you like so far, all the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Now making it easier to get in and out of your vehicle with this Car Handle Assist. It's a simple tool that can make a big difference for seniors, people recovering from injuries, or anyone with limited mobility. The sturdy design provides extra support when entering or exiting the vehicle, while helping reduce strain on joints and muscles. Compact enough to store in a door pocket, it delivers added confidence and stability whenever it's needed most. If road trips and camping adventures are your thing, this foldable portable air mattress can completely change how you travel. Designed to transform your backseat into a comfortable sleeping area, it creates a convenient place to rest during long drives, overnight stops, or outdoor adventures. The inflatable design is easy to set up and store when not in use. For travelers who love flexibility, it turns almost any vehicle into a surprisingly comfortable mobile resting space. And bringing a little extra productivity on the road with this car laptop mount. It's perfect for professionals who spend a lot of time in their vehicles. The adjustable design creates a stable workspace for laptops, paperwork, meals, and other everyday tasks. Whether you're waiting between appointments, working remotely, or simply need a convenient surface while parked, this mount helps make better use of your time. It's a practical solution that can turn downtime into productive time. Before anything unexpected happens on the road, this 4K dash cam can help ensure every detail is captured clearly. High-resolution recording provides sharp footage of your drives while helping document accidents, incidents, and unexpected events. Many drivers install one simply for peace of mind, knowing there's always an extra set of eyes recording what's happening ahead. With modern features and excellent image quality, it's one of the smartest investments you can make for your vehicle. Now keeping your phone charged and easily accessible with this wireless magnetic charging phone mount. It combines convenience and functionality into one sleek gadget. The powerful magnetic attachment helps keep your device secure while driving, while the built-in wireless charging keeps your battery topped up throughout the day. Navigation, calls, and music controls become easier to access without dealing with tangled charging cables. It's a simple upgrade that helps create a cleaner and more organized dashboard. And helping everyone stay comfortable during warmer drives with this 360-degree rotatable headrest car fan. It improves airflow throughout the cabin without requiring expensive vehicle upgrades. The adjustable design allows passengers to direct airflow exactly where it's needed, while helping reduce stuffiness during hot weather. Whether you're traveling with family, pets, or passengers in the back seat, this compact fan can make long drives significantly more comfortable and enjoyable. If your four-legged travel companion loves joining your adventures, this backseat extender for dogs creates a much safer and more comfortable travel area. The hard-bottom platform fills the gap between seats, giving pets additional room to sit, stand, or lie down comfortably during the journey. It also helps protect your seats from scratches, dirt, and pet hair. For pet owners who frequently travel with dogs, it's an upgrade that improves comfort for everyone involved. Before stepping into a scorching hot vehicle on a summer day, this Windshield Sunshade umbrella helps keep cabin temperatures much more manageable. The umbrella-style design opens and closes quickly, while blocking a significant amount of sunlight from entering through the windshield. That means cooler seats, a cooler steering wheel, and less strain on your air conditioning system. It's a simple accessory that makes a noticeable difference every time your vehicle sits under direct sunlight. Now bringing modern technology to older vehicles with this wireless CarPlay screen. It's an upgrade that instantly transforms the driving experience. With wireless CarPlay, Android connectivity, navigation, Bluetooth features, backup camera support, and even integrated dash cam functionality, it adds many of the features found in newer vehicles. Installation is straightforward, and the benefits are immediate. It's one of the fastest ways to make an older car feel far more advanced and connected. And wrapping up today's list with a gadget you'll probably use more often than expected, this 4-in-1 handheld cordless car vacuum makes cleaning your vehicle quick and convenient. The cordless design allows you to reach tight spaces easily while helping remove dust, crumbs, dirt, and debris from seats, carpets, and storage compartments. Compact enough to keep inside the vehicle, it's always ready when messes happen. A clean car simply feels better to drive, and this gadget helps make that easy. And that's a wrap on 20 awesome car gadgets that can make your vehicle smarter, safer, more comfortable, and a lot more fun to drive. Whether you're upgrading for convenience, safety, organization, or road trips, there's something here for every driver. Let me know in the comments which gadget was your favorite. You'll find links to every product featured in today's video down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.